Hey guys, Drew Zaragoza here, and today I am going to tell you the most important scale that you need to learn. If you're a beginner, great, this is the perfect place to start. If you're an intermediate or an advanced guy, chances are you want to learn different modes and all these things, but all those things kind of are useless if you don't know this one scale, because it all stems from this one scale. If you want to learn theory and you want to master the fretboard, then you have to master the C major scale, because every complex theoretical idea can be broken down into the simplest baby steps that all lead back to the C major scale. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, the C major scale has no sharps and it has no flats. If you're looking at a piano, it's all of the white notes, none of the black notes. The black notes are your sharps and your flats. So on a piano, to play a C major scale, all you literally have to do is run your finger down the white keys. Guitar is laid out a little bit different. Guitar is laid out, not only is it laid out horizontally, but it's also vertically. So we go both ways. Now I'm going to teach you guys this C major scale, but be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we're going to keep growing this concept. I can only go over so much in this video, and in the next few videos we're going to start learning how it's connected to everything else and why it is so important to know this, especially if you want to know all those modes and know all those cool scales. Because again, if you don't know the C major scale, then you won't know how to apply those correctly. So let's go. Real simple. We're going to start on the 3rd fret of the A string. The A string is the 2nd from the top. So here we go. This is my A string here. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. There we go. That's our first note of our scale. That's C. So we go C. Then the next note is actually the string right below it. And we're just going to hit the string without any fingers. That's D. So far we got C on our 3rd fret of the A string. And then we got the open D, the string right below it. Our next note is going to be the 2nd fret of that same string, that D string. That's going to be E. Then our next note, 3rd fret, same string. So let's review. We got C on our 3rd fret of the A string, open D, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, that's E and F. Then we got open G. Again, no fingers on the fretboard, that's just our good old open G. And then 2nd fret on that same string, that's our A. Then we got string right below it, open B. Again, no hands on the fretboard. Then on that same string, 1st fret is C. So we've went all the way from C to C. I'll give you guys a PDF, and then that's the C major chord. So if you know the C major chord, play that every single time that you play this scale. I'll give you guys a PDF in the description that'll have the whole scale. So we went from C to C, but the PDF will have this. So it went all the way to the top and the bottom, right? Take your time and get this scale under your fingers so that you know it by heart, so that we could start expanding on it, so we can move it up the fretboard and down the fretboard. It's all just C major scale, okay? And so the only reason that I can do that is because I know the C major scale all the way up and down the fretboard. And if you want to know all of the keys, it starts with C. So I'll see you guys in that next episode. Get that on your fingers and comment any questions you might have.